Guess what day it is? It is cruise day. I am going aboard Carnival Conquest for a 3-night cruise. Let's go check it out. So we are on our way onto Carnival Conquest. And so I'm gonna turn this around. Embarkation day, always one of the most exciting days of a cruise. I'm excited. Hope you're excited as well. Here we go. The check-in process was very easy. I think the smaller the ship is, it seems like maybe the check-in process just goes a little faster. And we're heading on. Here we are, heading on. This is Carnival Conquest. So the muster drill is out of the way. Now I'm heading to my room just to put my bag down. The rooms are not ready until 1:30, and then explore a little bit, get something to eat. Stay tuned. And this is my room, and I will do a full review later. I am hungry. I did not have breakfast, so let's get something to eat. On my way to the Lido, let the fun begin. Older ship, but well kept together. Hi. So if you follow my channel for some time, you should know one of my favorite things to do and eat when I am on an embarkation day is Blue Iguana. Just another day cruising. And when I tell you Miami is hot, it's so humid, but I got my bowl and I decided to get a fish taco as well. I'm feeling hungry. So I'm just gonna eat this, and later on, I'm just gonna wait for the sail away party. I'm looking forward to the sail away party. See if Carnival still turns up the way they do, the way I am used to them turning up. So I'm expecting the sail away party still to be good. So stay tuned. It's sail away party time, sail away party time, let's go. If you are enjoying this content so far, can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel and help me to produce further content just like this. For those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. Stay tuned for more.
Oh, I know y'all, I can feel this excitement. This whole Lido deck is on fire. Now I'm gonna bring to you a team that is gonna bring the fun to you every single day this cruise. I want y'all to go wild. I want y'all to go crazy. And give it up for the #1 best entertainment team in all the 7 seas. It is your Carnival Conquest Entertainment Team. Now, introducing your daytime, nighttime, all the time entertainment team. It's my Buzz Squad. Come on, that's it. Everybody say hey. Everybody come on, say hey. Let me hear y'all say hey. One more time, say hey. Oh no, don't stop. It's your U-team! That's right, family. They're going to be watching after your little ones so you can enjoy the cruise. Y'all better give them some love. Carnival Conquest family, give it up for your entertainment team! Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, hold on. Wait, whoa, hang on. Do I see what I think I see? Oh, wait, just a minute. Hold up now. Is that thing 1, thing 2, and cat in the hat? You better get out of town. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Y'all, listen. Y'all make some noise for thing 1, thing 2, and cat in the hat. Oh my God. Thing 1. What's going on? Thing 2. How we do? Oh my goodness. Cat, what are y'all doing out here? Oh, you want to do the cha-cha? Are you serious? Can you lead this thing? All right, listen, hey, everybody, I want y'all to join Cat and thing 1, thing 2 in doing the cha-cha slide.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all.
Bring it back.
One hop this time.
And I want to say hello, because y'all are family now. And there's only one way I know how to say hello, so follow me. Ready? Everybody put your hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Okay, now here, I want you to repeat after me. Hey. It's hey. All right. Hey. All right, now you're gonna put your hands down and say, oh, baby. Now I want you to shake your booty, I'm going, ooh. Now I want you to say, ah, and I want you to, you know, just I don't want to say it out loud, there's kids, you know, okay, but that's it, ooh, ah. And I want you to wave your hands back and forth just like this, and I'm talking to everybody from top to bottom. DJ, hit. Oh, yes. Now listen, I got one more thing I want to do with y'all real quick. Because you did such a great job at the first line dance. Y'all want to do one more? Y'all want to do another one? How about, I hit you with the electric slide to this beautiful. I'm going to split this Lido deck right down the middle. Now over here, everybody look to this fine gentleman right here. That is Justin. Everybody say, hi, Justin. Now Justin is your team captain. This side over here, I want you to look at this fine gentleman right here. That is Mickey. Everybody say, hi, Mickey. Mickey is your team captain. Now here's what I want. It's a battle to find out who has got the longest conga line. Listen, I want you to hop right behind these amazing gentlemen right here. That's right. Oh, okay, no, no fighting today, not today. Okay, we can't afford another battle, all right? You are gonna get behind your team leader, and I'm looking for the longest, baddest, and best conga line. Let's go!
No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, get to that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
How are we feeling out there tonight, y'all? Y'all feeling good? Yeah. Oh, you know, we got a 3-day adventure ahead of us. I am so excited. I can just tell the energy in this room. This is going to be a great cruise, y'all. Now listen, as Justin said, my name is Robbie. I have the honor and privilege of being your cruise director for the next 3 days. And I'm so excited because let me tell you something. This is the first cruise that we're going to Celebration Key, everybody. Well, I understand it just got built. We are one of the first ships that are going to be there. That means we get first taste of it all. Carnival's new private island. I'm so excited myself. Put your hands together for our amazing cast in the Welcome Aboard Show. Y'all, my name is Robbie. I'm your cruise director. I'll be seeing y'all all cruise long day and night. Let's end this with a bang. You know what? I'm from the South. We gotta have a little Southern song in here.